Are you looking for simple home decor ideas that anyone can make in minutes? Then I've got 10 Dollar Tree DIY home decor and room decor ideas for you. Hello friends, my name is Rebecca Jean. Welcome back to Style My Sweets. Before we jump into these easy DIY decor crafts, I had to show you what a cute little vase this Dollar Tree candle holder makes when you flip it upside down and pop a beautiful little floral arrangement into the hole on the underside of the candle holder. Now for this one, we are actually going to take a picture frame and use a bit of glue to attach this spring and summer themed wooden cutout pieces onto the glass. You can paint them first if you want to, but either way, the little flowers, birds, bees, and butterflies bring the summer theme into this very simple, neutral home decor piece. And once it's dry, I just hot glued the glass back into the frame. But please share your ideas with everyone if you guys have thoughts for how to make this piece stand alone while still keeping the look of clear, transparent glass. I'm just using this one to just kind of lean it. Anyway, here's how this one turned out. I think it still looks really pretty over on the shelf here. For the next one, I'm taking one of these beach themed nautical bells from Dollar Tree. I removed the little inside part on the bell and that little hanger portion, simply taking now a glass round vase from Dollar Tree, and you can just glue that right onto the top using some hot glue or some E6000 or a combination of both. And the perfect thing is to just add a little bit of sand in here to put your candle in, or some seashells like I'm adding here. And I just think this makes it very beautiful, cute, simple coastal decor or beachy or nautical themed decor, perfect for summer. For the next one, I'm taking this little wooden shadow box decor piece from Dollar Tree. I'm gluing it onto one of these wooden pencil holder cups from Dollar Tree as well as the base. And then I'm going to paint the whole thing over with some mineral chalk paint and use some puffy metallic gold paint to create a little pattern or design on here with some little gold dots. And here is how my little DIY candle riser tray turned out. For the next one, I'm taking a little recycled glass jelly jar, wrapping the top edge with some jute rope, and I did burn off the extra little threads and fibers from the rope with a lighter. Just gives it like a neater finished look. I tied a little bow on here and also added this little string of pearls from Dollar Tree just for a nice rustic elegant touch that also kind of feels like it could fit with coastal decor to me for some reason. And I plan to either add a tea light in here or maybe some cut flowers from my garden in here for the summer. Now for another summer coastal or beach themed DIY for summertime, I took this string of wood beads from Dollar Tree and simply glued 2 shells together onto each end just to finish it off, and it just makes a pretty little accent piece that you can style around your home. Another version of this is taking one of these wooden bead with a wood tag piece from Dollar Tree. I mean, this one's pretty much done as it is. You just dress it up with whatever you like. You could decorate it with some little wooden flower or butterfly cutout pieces or some puffy paint, write a little message on here if you want. So while you guys are watching, comment below and let me know. I wrote on here, life is better at the garden, but I would love to know from you guys. Leave me a comment. Is life better at the beach, better by the pool, or better in the garden? Comment below. Beach, pool, or garden? Now the next one is one that I made a little while ago, but I have also since seen more people doing something very similar this year by simply taking one of these pool noodle boosters from Dollar Tree and painting over it. So chalk paint doesn't work as well on here. It will chip off, but an acrylic paint seems to stay on and work the best in my experience on here. But I just had to do this one, even though, like I said, I have seen it done before, just because I wanted one of these in my own home. I added a floral bouquet in here. You could always even put like a vase down inside it with some real water in it and have some live flowers or plants if you wanted. I really think this turned out so classy and I had to share it with you guys. Now for the next one, I'm taking 2 candle holders from Dollar Tree, and you can add super glue or hot glue on top and then attach these lids. So any lid could potentially work on here. If you want to recycle something, just glue it on here upside down so you have a nice little base to set a candle holder in. Otherwise, these lids are from jars at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be saving the bottoms of those jars for something else. Now I sprayed the entire thing metallic gold, even though I feel like black would be really pretty and classy now too. So do you like the gold or do you like them in black? I think they're going to be gorgeous either way. Now another simple DIY home decor or room decor piece that you can make using this cup and bowl from Walmart's summer section. These are quite sturdy and affordable, and after you just glue them together and paint them, you can create a very high-end look. I feel like this design, the kind of beveled like edge or just the texture on these really reminded me of something I've seen from some of the more high-end stores, and I decided to see how mine would look painted over with kind of like a bronze color. But I really do think that if you wanted to use like a stone finish spray paint on here, it would look really beautiful to kind of give it more of a stone or like a concrete planter look. I think that would be so gorgeous as well. For the next one, I'm also taking this bowl and plate again from Walmart, and I used E6000 and hot glue on the bottom of the plate. You do want to make sure that the two glues are not touching each other, and then just glue the bottom of the plate onto the bottom of the bowl for a little riser pedestal dish. And you can use this anywhere around your home, in your kitchen. You could serve some snacks on here. You could spray paint it and use it to put some candles or other decor on. But I thought it would be perfect to make a little dish for water for the bees and butterflies out in my garden. I'm gonna add some glass beads and shells in here that I already had. But if you guys have marbles or river rocks or even just, you know, rocks from your yard, I know Dollar Tree does sell like the glass marbles and the river rocks, and I thought it would be so pretty considering that we do live in Florida. I thought this would be kind of fun. But basically the bees and butterflies, they just need a place to sit and drink so they don't fall in and drown. So anyway, here is how this one turned out. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you soon in the next one.